Can I shampoo a mattress? Are you tired of sleeping on a stained and smelly mattress? Or are you simply curious about the best way to maintain your mattress? You might be wondering, can I shampoo a mattress? In this video, we will walk you through the process of effectively and safely cleaning your mattress using shampoo. First, let's address the question at hand. Yes, you can shampoo a mattress. Shampooing is an excellent way to deep clean your mattress, remove stubborn stains and neutralize unpleasant odors. However, it's important to follow a few crucial steps to ensure that you don't damage your mattress or void its warranty. Before you get started, make sure to remove all bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and mattress protectors. Vacuum the mattress thoroughly to remove any dust, dirt, or debris that may be hiding in its fibers. This will make the shampooing process more effective and easier to manage. Next, prepare a cleaning solution by mixing a few drops of mild detergent or upholstery shampoo with warm water. Be sure not to use harsh chemicals, as they may damage the mattress material. Using a soft bristle brush or sponge, gently scrub the mattress surface in a circular motion, focusing on stained or soiled areas. Remember not to oversaturate the mattress, as excess moisture can lead to mold or mildew growth. After you've thoroughly scrubbed the mattress, use a clean, damp cloth to remove the soapy residue. Rinse the cloth as needed and continue wiping until there are no visible suds left on the mattress. Now, it's time to dry your mattress. Allow it to air dry by placing it in a well-ventilated area, or use a fan to speed up the drying process. Make sure the mattress is completely dry before putting the bedding back on. In conclusion, shampooing your mattress is an effective way to maintain its cleanliness and prolong its life. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can enjoy a fresh and hygienic sleeping surface that will contribute to a better night's sleep.